We find it necessary to come to the Singapore Airshow because this is the prime place where we can make contact with suppliers from all around the world.
It was really nice. It's the first time we came, so it was a great experience.
Singapore being a very important country, and the show was very well organized.
The exhibits are fantastic. We've really moved into the 21st century.
It has been a good show for us. We've gained some new leads and opportunities, and hopefully revisit again in 2 years' time.